Hello friend, today we will learn about flash fill. Use flash fill to convert text into uppercase, lowercase, proper case automatically. To convert text into uppercase, we have to write Rajpal Yadav in a C column, then go to Data tab, then go to Data tool, then click on flash fill. It will automatically generate all the data in a capital letter. To convert text into lowercase, we have to write Rajpal Yadav in a D column, then press Ctrl plus E. It will automatically generate all the data in a lowercase. Same process we will do to convert text into proper case. The rule of flash fill is whatever sequence we have given, it will follow that sequence. Here we have a student name, which is first name, middle name, last name. If we want to, first name should be different column, middle name should be different column, and last name should be different column. For this we have to write first name in a B column, then press Ctrl plus E. It will automatically generate data. Same process we will follow to convert middle name in a C column and last name in a D column. In this student name data, if we want our surname should be first come and then after first name and middle name come. For this we have to write Yadav in a B column and then Rajpal, then press Ctrl plus E. It will convert all the data easily. If we want student name start with surname and follow with its initial name, which is RP. For this we have to write Yadav in a B column, then write R dot P dot, which is the initial name of student, then press Ctrl plus E. Now all the data will start with surname and follow with initial name. Thanks for watching this video. For more updates, subscribe this channel.